Hi guys, what is up? Welcome to TSO Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode we're going to be talking about crypto crashing. If you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, you hit that like button and that bell. That way you're going to be notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. They're pinned at the top of the chat on YouTube. If you're on Twitch, they're on the chat. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here with me for this awesome Monday. Let's see what's happening with crypto, man. We got a lot of pain going on, right? We got a lot of crypto pain going on. I was not expecting it moving down, to be honest. I was hoping that we're going to get action to the upside. But we'll discuss that in a... we're going to discuss that here shortly. So, let's go and see what's happening with crypto, right? I even said yesterday we're going to go up, so... Kind of sucks, though. It kind of sucks, though. Let's go and check that out. Crashing or bullish retracement? Yeah, I thought we were going to go higher. I thought we were going to go for that $3 trillion mark. Right? We didn't. We did manage to close red here on the 15th. And why is this already 16? All right, because we're already opening for tomorrow, right? So we went red yesterday. We're going red for today. Breaking to 20. We had the bearish divergence. We had this hidden bullish, which is helping us to rally a bit. But that's about it. It's short-lived. Why? Because now we're dropping lower, right? Look at this. We're coming in much lower than we had before. Now, could this hold? It could, if we consider that this is where we should be anchoring to, because this is what we can justify anchoring to. This is still developing. Now, if this managed to close lower than this previous low, then no, we wouldn't have this hidden divergence. So we still have the day to try to recover. I'm not sure, man. Monday set up a pretty green tune, right? And right now it's also not looking so hot. So are we bullish retracing? That could be an idea, man. Thank you very much for being here, Tristan. Right on. So again, hitting bullish. We're gonna try to hold on to that 20. We still have the day to get above that 20 and hold on there. If we do, we might be trying to go for that $3 trillion mark. Otherwise, move to 2.46, right? Not a lot of areas we could come back to rest. Maybe somewhere around here there could be some kind of support. Let me do a ray here, and then we'll see why I'm saying there could be some kind of support. So let's just say somewhere around here, right? Why am I calling it there? Well, I'm gonna zoom in here real quick, just to make sure I got it as accurate as I can. Yeah, it's close enough. And we rejected that zone a couple times, right? So that could be a resistance, and now it's acting as support at 2.67. We don't know yet. We're basically new at this levels, so not a lot of history, right? We're just trying to see where we could go. Here we could also say that here it was acting as a support, right? Look, if I put a line here, support, 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 support. Now we're breaking it, so we're going slightly bearish here, right? Short-term bearish. Now if we drop below that 2.65 trillion, again 2.46, if we do manage to stay above this area and reclaim that 20, we'll be looking for 3 trillion on a movement up, right? So those could be the areas that Bitcoin could move to. Neutral right now, 57.28. Not tightness on the Bollinger Bands here. We're just moving down, right? Movements are okay. They're not extending the Bollinger Bands or anything like that. So far, it's okay. Let's go check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 61,747. Let's look at this one here first. We still have not gone for our move, right? What move am I talking about? Oh, snap. Here we go. What move am I talking about? That move to 68,000, right? Sorry, yeah, not 68,000, 86,400. That's the move I was expecting to get, particularly since we were above that 20 moving average. Right now, we're opening and moving below that 20. That's not good. When we're below the 20, that becomes a resistance. How many of you guys are buying this? How many of you guys are buying this dip? Let me know. Are you buying this small moving down on Bitcoin? I'm intrigued. Let's go here and see what's happening. Now we're going from a low point to a higher point, negative momentum, right? Less negative momentum, and a low point here to a lower point on the MACD, right? So we are developing, right? But look, we had that support line. We're breaking it today. Not good. We could try to reclaim it still today or tomorrow, but right now it's not looking too hot. We're coming back down to a support. We'll talk about that in a second. But here we are creating this bullishness, right? This hidden bullish against the RSI. Now it's the only thing we can hold on to as we try to rally, right? We're neutral at 48.81. Came back down, hit that 61,195, right? It was a target. We knew it was a possibility that we could move there. We kind of talked about it, not yesterday, but a couple days ago. We said, look, if we fail to get above this area and we lose a 20, we're going to likely revisit 61,195. But, you know, I was really thinking that we're going to go higher, right? That we're going to close above here and we're going to stay above 64,900. And I even said that if we stay above 64,900, we're going to very likely go for 66,994 or in a movement up 69,000. Then on a movement down, we said, okay, well, if we break that line, then 20 moving average, and then below there, 61,000. So we're moving down. Not what I was expecting. I was really hoping to get that moving up, but again, hidden bullish. At least we're developing something now for us to try to rally, because we didn't have, I don't think we had anything here in the tank to make us move. Here on the 4-hour chart, look, last thing we had was hidden bullish back here. Try to get us to rally. We even said, even if we get above 6,994, we get above this previous high, right? So we're not getting any of those moves. We are starting to develop strong bullish divergence here as well. Look at this. Yeah. At least there's something bullish that's coming out of this. And that is kind of nice, because now with that bullishness, we can start to look for potential movement up, right? So strong bullish. We don't have it against the RSI. We're sold. They're at 2.15. Can we go lower? Yeah, we can still go to 61,195. Still have that strong bullish, right? At least for now. So could that be the move? Yeah. Are we going to see 58,000, 59,200? Not sure if we break 61,195. Yeah, I would believe we could be going for those levels. Otherwise, if we hold on support there, we should start looking for a retracement. And then in that case, we are just doing a larger consolidation of Bitcoin. And that consolidation will be looking like this. I'm just going to highlight it here real quick. I'm going to go with the parallel channel tool. I'm not sure if this one is going to be the one that fits best. What is the one I'm going to be going with? Not liking it for this exercise like this. Maybe all the way from back here. And repositioning some of these things. Just 1 second. I'm going to reposition that there. And shift this to here. Is that going to work? I'm going to anchor on this bottom line here. And then, no, we're getting some kind of breaks. Now, it's not looking like the best downsloping channel, right? So I was trying to see if I went from way back here. Is it going to work? It isn't. So what I'm going to try to do again is just anchor it from the top here, right? This top here. And see where we're at on the bottoms. And again, not really liking it, right? So if we go with the wicks, will it work better? Right? Will it give us something better? Again, the top is still more or less the same. Bottoms is where we're going to be finding out what we're made of, I guess. No, also same. We could say kind of head and a break and then some kind of rejection. So yeah, we could say maybe the wicks are working. I'm not liking it too much as a channel though, but it is a downsloping move that we're getting. And I was just highlighting it right now. Again, not fitting the best description of a channel. Creating some bullish divergence with that, we could look for a movement up. Maybe revisit 63,677, right? That'll be a nice move. Above there, 64,200, and then 64,900 on the main targets. So, El Producto, what's up? On the 1 hour chart. All right, we're starting to turn green. Hopefully, we'll be able to pump. I like this candle, getting it back up, so it's okay. Show some kind of bullishness next candle. Moving down a bit, maybe somewhere at residual bearish sentiment right now. Believe that could be done, and we could look for a movement up. Unfortunately, there is nothing bullish here. Right, there is nothing bullish. There was something bullish up to here, I think, and then we kind of lost it. Why am I saying that? Look, more negative momentum, even here. Also here, right? More negative momentum. Oversold right now. 21.40. So we're going to come back down to this neutral zone. That could come with a small rally. Now here, short term, yes, we created something at 3 in the morning. Now we weren't live then, but look, this slight move up here in rejection, this is what it's kind of doing us in a little bit. Why am I saying that? Well, we created some strong bearish divergence. That is what we started to break down, right? Within the same island. And even here on the RSI, right? Look, coming from a high point over bought to bought on the RSI. And that is why we're getting this move, right? So bearish divergence came in, moved us down. Sadly enough, we didn't have anything else going on that was strong to try to help us to rally even here, right? Low to high, negative. We could have said we were creating some hidden bullish. It tried to get us to rally, but again, rejection of 64,205. Now we're moving lower, lower, more negative, lower still, nothing bullish. Oversold 21.95. Sadly enough, right? Not the best for the corn, but you know it's a good area to add value. If you believe that you know if you're DCAing and things like that, and you believe Bitcoin's gonna go 200,000 by the end of the year, it would be a good area to add value, right? We're 15 days into the month, and the next prediction for Plan B, stuck to flow, I think he said 93,000 by the end of November. Type 1 in the chat if you believe we're gonna get to 93,000 by the end of November. Type 2 if you don't believe we're gonna get to those areas, right? So 1 for 93,000 above for the price of Bitcoin, and then 2 if you believe we're gonna be below those targets. Okay, let's keep going. Let's check out Ethereum. Ethereum 4,300. Man, Ethereum has tumbled. It was so nice up here at 4,800. Now 4,300. It's not bad, but again, losing quite a bit. 4.35%, breaking below that 20. Nothing bullish going on, right? Last time we had bearishness, so we knew there was a chance for a movement down. We're kind of stagnating, and that was giving me hope that we're going to try to consolidate, break to the upside. Nope, this candle, it's not looking the prettiest. Came almost all the way down to the Bollinger Bands, tightening them. Hopefully, we're not going to get another explosive move to the downside, but let's see if we can get recovered throughout the day and close above that 20. That'll be very good. That'll be kind of bullish. Short term, we could say that there is something here going on, and the move goes from here to here, right? And on this bottom part, it goes from here to here, right? We're having some hidden bullish that could try to give us some support. We could even still get it at 4,192. So, you know, we can still get it here, and it's not going to affect us, right? You're still going to have that hidden divergence. So is that we're going to get it, man, right? Is that we're going to find support? Hopefully not. Hopefully we find support here and start a rally. We're going to check the shorter time scale, see if we have anything. But man, has it taken a nice drop, right? Since it hit its all-time high, it's dropped almost 10%. 10%. Let's go here. We had that bullish line. We broke it. We're in short-term bullish. We weren't strong enough to sustain. Failed to get higher than the previous high. We had the bullish divergence strong. Very nice move, but I think this is Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin going down, it's affecting Ethereum, right? It's affecting it exponentially. We're seeing a larger drop. So bullish divergence strong, help us to pop, but you know, Bitcoin Max is saying, no, Ethereum, you cannot go. We want to rule the market, and we're not going to let you run. We're not having anything else here, by the way, right? Lower, we're creating some less negative momentum. I think we might have something though. Wait, let's see. Yeah. All right, it's starting to develop. It's not fully matured yet as a pattern or as an indicator, but we are having, or we're starting to make this bullish divergence strong, right? Why am I saying that? Because we're still coming lower, right? Look, we're coming lower. Less of that negative momentum. Without the possibility for our movement up, we're sold at 31.46. Not oversold, sold. We can still try to rally, get back to this neutral zone. El Producto says we don't get to 93,000 by the end of November Bitcoin. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Type 1 or type 2. Tristan said 1. So he thinks we're going to get there, man. Tristan says, I'm expecting a drop, and I'm waiting to buy tonight at 11 Pacific. All right. So going to buy back in a couple hours. All right, that's good. Here, same thing that we saw with Bitcoin, right? Look at that. At 6 in the morning, traded bearish divergence, and with that, moving down. So that's what we're getting here, right? Moving down. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Nothing here. Oversold at 22.08. So not bad. Breaking below 4,442. That was a support. Kind of hit it there. Next candle. Broke below. Next target. If we do decide to keep on moving down, 4,192. We started a rally. We're looking for 4,442 on the movement up, and then 4,628 on the movement up. So that's it, guys. It's just crashing, right? So are we creating anything else? Well, Ethereum, we have to revisit this comment, right? On the daily. We're still looking for a measure move to be hit, and that measure move of the copwood handles, we're hitting that 1618, which is fine, but the next exit, right, it's up here at 5,297. So we need to get above and bounce to go to that area. We still come back down to this entry level and then try to run up again. It's not going to be a bad move if we go there, right? If we rally from here to here against an 18% rally, and then all the way up here, we're looking at a 34% gains. It's not a bad move for Ethereum if it does go all the way up to that $5,200 mark, right? $5,000, almost $300 mark. On that note, let's check real quick HNT, because it's dropping. It's dropping quite a bit. Took an acid drop yesterday. Remember, we talked about this. We talked about that rejection happening and how this bearish divergence is going to play us down. We're starting to see that dropping 10% yesterday. $5 right now, going down another 2.85%, right? Bearish divergence strong. Potential for moving down. We're getting it. Bought at 64.70. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. In the 4-hour, we're looking for some hidden bullish. It didn't hold. We did hit the 20 though, right? On the next candle. Hit the 20. We weren't live, but we hit that 20, then we rejected, right? Let's get this auto. There we go. Hit that 20 rejection, moving down. Now, are we still holding on to this divergence? I doubt it. We're coming lower, right? More negative momentum and lower still. I even doubt we're making something bullish. No, nothing bullish here on the 4-hour. So the hidden bullish we were looking for, it played. It got us to hit that 20, and now we're rejecting. So, yay, right? That's it. Let's go to the 1-hour chart for an HNT. Bullish, right? Popped a bit, didn't quite hit the 20 here. It was hidden bullish. Now we're dropping, but in that movement down, look, we're making less, right? Less negative momentum. Look at that. So we're creating strong bullish divergence. We're creating it from here to here, and then from here to here. I mean, lower to here, and then from here to here. So 2 steps, right? Step 1 to here, and then step 2 all the way down here. But it's just the same thing. Its divergence is bullish. It's within the same island. We don't have it against the RSI. Oversold at 25.94. A strong bullish divergence with that, the possibility for a movement up. Let's see if we can pump up a bit. That's gonna be it for HNT, right? If we do go up, hit that 20 moving average at $40.16, it's gonna be good. We need to get about $50 again, right? Look for retraces to happen. Is shift pumping Shiv tends to do the opposite of what Bitcoin does. No, it's also dropping. It's dropping 4.5%. Not good in the Shiv. Again, consolidating still, slightly below that 382. It's looking as though that 382 is really holding, right? So let's see if we can manage to hold on to that. Last we had hidden bullish, helping us to move sideways. We're still moving sideways. Neutral at 50.39. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Hey, Jeff, how's it going, man? Bearish divergence, move down on that. Nothing bullish going on here, right? Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Neutral at 41.28. So let's go to the 1-hour chip. Right. So here we created something. We pumped. We pumped. Now we're coming down, right? So look at that. Same thing here. Right? Strong bearish divergence, potential for moving down. Crashing to that, getting below that 20, not good. Now, are we creating something bullish? No, lower, more negative momentum, lower still, sold at 32.82. Doesn't have anything bullish to pump. Doesn't have anything bullish to pump right now. So we're gonna see if Shiv can muster strength somehow to rally even more. Otherwise, it looks right now as though we're looking for a red, for a bloody. We had a semi-bloody Monday. I think we're expecting a bloody Tuesday now. Look at OMG, also going down almost 7%, 8% on the daily. Not good. Going to support, right? That's fine. But OMG also dropping a lot of bleeding on the market. 7% down, right? So let's keep checking what else we have, man. Paint's up a little bit. That's fine, I guess. But if Ethereum's going down, it's going up against Ethereum. It's holding value. Rook down 13%. Someone requested this one a while back, but it's there. Let's go to XRP real quick, or XLM. One of the X's. A lot of the small projects that you guys have requested, Hokkaido, for example, it's kind of positive right now on the daily, 4%, right? Like a lot of the small projects are holding against Ethereum. Even Hosh Finance up 14%, right? So a lot of the wrap projects are holding. A lot of the regular pairs are against Ethereum seem to be holding, and against Bitcoin, some projects seem to be holding. That means that Bitcoin's probably bleeding a lot more than some of the alts, just not all of them. XLM down 4%, almost 5%, right? Same move down, bearish divergence. We have not looked at this in a while, so look at this. Bam. Like I said, not really worried about the move. It's just getting a lot of consolidation, right? Getting a lot of consolidation. OMG's dead there, sure, man. Why is it not letting me do this? Here we go. Bearish divergence strong. We have it here as well. Right. Neutral at 45.97. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Nothing here that is bearish. Nothing here that is. We're trying to create some bullish now. Man, it looks like. You know what? It's starting to look a lot like the main projects, right? It's creating bearish on the daily to some extent, and now we're creating that strong bullish on a short time scale. Just against the MACD. RSI sold at 35.17 with that possibility for moving up. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Bullish average in the 4-hour swell, right? Here, lower, more negative, lower still, nothing here, oversold, 25.40, coming up higher again, coming down lower, like Bitcoin and Ethereum and the rest. So same move. Same move. Bearishness before we drop, right? It just means market is moving in unison. Isn't that crazy? Let's go check out XRP real quick. Yeah, same move, right? Same thing, right? Bearish divergence, potential for a movement down. We had it to here, move down, hit that 20 bounce, right? Strong bearish divergence still dropping us. Right, nothing bullish. So let's go to that 4-hour on the XRP chart. Bearish divergence back here. Then we've been on a drop. Been on the drop. I'm again going to the support. Again, we have really very, very good supports here. Coming down to this support line here. Bouncing, rejecting, come back down. So not that prettiest, right? We just have not looked at this project that often. That's why. Neutral sold at 31.74. Man, are we creating something bullish? Yep. Just like with that other project we're looking at, XLM and Ethereum and Bitcoin, right? Again, strong bullish in the 4-hour. That could get us to where we try to reversal a little bit, right? It's not yet settled. Why am I saying it's not settled? Reason I'm saying that, it's easy. It's not yet set because the 4-hour candle is still going on. It hasn't closed. So we gotta wait for that 4-hour candle to close, right? For us to be able to determine whether or not we're anchoring this. And then the next candle has to confirm that we're looking for a reversal, right? Dr. Tundusk, check out Shiv. I just did Shiv a couple minutes ago, man. I'll recap it in a bit. Someone said OMG, so let's do OMG here. Where'd the OMG at? Here we go. $10.21. Let's get it. Oh, let's do it on the daily. All right, so OMG. I've not looked at this lately, but again, same thing that we're seeing across crypto market, right? Going up higher, creating that strong bearish divergence. It's down, that's all good. Look at that, it's even against the RSI. So strong bearish, moving us down. We're at support, right? At all support. Now this, I believe we should refib. We had a valid retrace at 786, then we pumped. Not quite a cup and handle, went up much higher here on this lip, so not cup and handle formation. Right. Here, let's refib this and go from the high to the low, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. That high right there to the low, right around here. So the high to the low, getting the pop. Again, hitting that 618, the 1618, coming back down. Right now, we're very, very close. Looks as though we might be heading for that 618 right now. At $9.37. Right now, sitting at $10.18. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, oh no, stuff from the daily came through. Go back. That's how we send it, right? You just unclick it and you send it back to its time scale. Go back, you time load. There we go. Low to high to low, bearish divergence. So there is a reason for a move here. That move is this. Right, it is bearish divergence, strong potential for moving down. Here, there's a tiny break. I'm gonna ignore it. For the analysis, why am I ignoring it? It's just tiny, it could be an anomaly. So it's just a one very, very tiny bar, minuscule, almost non-existent. So that's what I'm saying, that we're coming lower. Right, so now that we're coming lower, here what we're seeing is, look at this, we're coming lower still, we're making positive momentum. Ain't that crazy? I mean, like this positive, like this bullish divergence. Now, when we drop and start making negative momentum, get an anchor to an island there, and have that strong bullish divergence here on OMG. And with that, the possibility for moving up, going for that 20 moving average. Right now, that 20 sitting at $12.89. Oversold at 25.54. This is a coin that is not doing so hot. Why am I saying that? The other coins were sold, or at least neutral, on the 4-hour chart. This one was oversold already, right? Everyone else was oversold on the 1 hour. Is this oversold on the 1 hour? Come on, load up. Oh snap, OMG, it's not loading. Here we go. Right, so on the major move, I'm just gonna highlight this real quick. Right, I'm assuming in a second. On the major move here, we have this divergence. It's undeniable, right? We're coming lower with a lot less of that negative momentum. We don't have it against RSI. Oversold at 13.27. That is highly oversold. Now, do we have to pump because we're oversold? No, just being oversold, that means that it is below what its fair value or fair market value should be at, and that should bring the price back up again. Otherwise, if we keep on dropping, this keep on going oversold, and then even if we keep on dropping, and then this will start to normalize, right? So yeah, strong bullish. I'm just gonna leave it at that. This is just fuss, and not looking so hot. Tightens the Bollinger Bands, expansion to downside. That means we could still be looking for a bigger drop to happen. Like I said, on the daily, if we keep on dropping, we should be at least aiming for that 618, and that would get it here at $9.36. Now, this gives us fibs to the upside, right? Now, I'm going to refib this again. Why am I going to refib it? Because we're making a valid retrace. I'm positive that we're making a valid retrace. All right, so I'm going to come from the low point here to the high point here. I'm going to fix this low point because I didn't anchor it properly. I'm anchoring to this point here, and I was slightly higher. There we go. Right, see that? We're breaking that 50%. It looks so much better. Look at the moves. They're almost spot on, right? Retraced to that 236, held there briefly, tried to reclaim that 100%, dropped to that 382, right now dropping to that 50%, now dropping, and if we do drop, we're going to go for that 618 at $9.26, so that could be the move here on OMG, right? 618, and if we lose that and we drop more still, look for that 786 at $6.56. Now, if that starts to happen, I think crypto in general might be looking for a movement down, right? Not just this project, but other projects might also be looking for a movement down. Is that what's going to happen? Wouldn't that be interesting if that is what happens? Yeah, we just start to see a winter on winter. That'll be awkward. Now, someone said shift, so we're just going to recap it here real quick. Carthagos is going to about FOMO buy OMG. Yeah, it's looking tasty, right? It's looking tasty. What was that one? Can I check out AXS? Yeah. But someone said Shiv before, so I'm just gonna recap real quick. So we already did it. We already done it, man. It's dead in the past. Now we're gonna redid it. Here we go. All right. So hidden bullish, still holding on, still above. Sorry, below at 382. So it's trying to hold on. Nothing happening here that is bullish right now, except for the hidden bullish, and it's just getting us to move sideways. 4 hour bearish divergence moving down on that. Nothing bullish going on. Sold. Sorry, neutral at 40.76. On the 1 hour chart, you had that strong bearish divergence moving us down. There's nothing bullish going on. So that's about it here, right? Bought at 62 point, sold at 32.54 with that. We still have not gone to that oversold, so we can still drop in value. It would not be bad if we actually get some kind of pump here and a drop. And then we create something similar here where we kind of loosen here and then make more. Sorry, make less on that second drop. Less negative momentum, even on the RSI, right? And create some strong bullish. Right, that would be a very nice move here on Shiv. If it does that, it would at least have something to say, yo, we could rally. Otherwise, dude, everything is looking red. Everything I'm looking at is looking red. It's not pretty to look at the redness. All right, so AXS. What? Okay. Oh, guys, see what you did there. Not letting me search. All right, AXS. Have we not looked at AXS in the past? I believe we have looked at this. Why is it not on my list? Why are you not on my list, AXS? Right, it's not on the list. That is awkward. No, here we go. Found, yeah. Was in the wrong place. Very awkward where it's at. All right, $134. Let's get into daily. Oh no, it's dropping. It's at a support. 2618. I don't think we're gonna be making a valid retrace. That's the only reason I'm not gonna be reviewing this, right? If I go from low to high, we're not at 236 yet, right? So not valid fibs. Oh look, we're looking for the bearishness and they're moving down. Oh my goodness, are we wizards? Yes, some days. Some days we are not. Like yesterday, I said we might move up. We're moving down. Oh my goodness. All right, so we're going down. It's fine. Low to high, negative, more negative is there's hidden bullish divergence developing here, good sir. And that's gonna get it to where it might try to hold on support here at that 2618. This could actually be good for XS. If it holds, it's gonna be nice. Otherwise, prefer a drop, right? Here's what I'm looking at here. Right, so bearish. Sorry, hidden bullish potential for hold and maybe moving up, maybe sideways motion. We're below 20 though. Neutral at 46.95. Let's go to the 4 hour. Here's where it's not gonna look pretty. Oversold at 28.56. Look at that nasty drop we're getting, man. All right, so does it work for us? Kind of does. Kind of does because we're developing this bullish divergence, right? Right, strong bullish. Strong bullish potential for him. We just gotta confirm closing down here, and then we could look for a reversal. So oversold at 28.31. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, guys, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the most awesome sub. Coming down lower, more negative momentum, lower still. Oversold at 19.75. Nothing here that is bullish. It's just highly oversold. With that, we could be looking for a reversal, right? Highly oversold. We're gonna come back to neutral. As we come back to neutral again, we've talked about them, right? You either pump quickly, or you just keep on dropping, or move sideways, and then this is gonna become your new normal, right? Oh no. Something happened. It said instant replay. I didn't want to get this. Oh, why'd that come on? Did you go on YouTube and watch it back? I'm not sure. I already redid that real quick though. Anyways. Makes sense. That is it, dude. I'm not really looking at a lot here. Hidden bearish back here. And I mean, this could be the reason that we started to move down. Not the last bit, right? The last bit's on crypto in general. Sentiment across the market, I would say. Not just this coin, right? But, I mean, hidden bearish here. Hidden bearish, right? I'm down with that. Could we still drop? Yeah, bottom might not be in for this project, right? Reason for that is if we rally here and then we drop more, yeah, we come in here and maybe drop less and create some bullish divergence strong. That'll be kind of nice, but right now we don't have anything bullish to go on, right? Not the prettiest. Hey, Andrew, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here, man. Missed you. Hope you're doing good, man. I hope you're healthy and that nothing bad happened to you, man. Thanks for joining us tonight. $60,598. Oh, look at Bitcoin. It's still dropping, remember? Let's look at the targets, 59,000. We talked about that being a potential target and moving down. I was really hoping that we're going to hold on to these higher levels. Now, coming down below that 59,000, bro, 55,000? Jeez, watch out. Watch out. We still have 20 hours to go. It could be one of those painful days. Could be one of those painful days, right? We're still holding on to a strong bullish here on the 4 hour, but it's not looking the prettiest, I can tell you that. 1 hour chart, nothing bullish, man. Bullish oversold, 14.95. Greetings, crypto silverback. Thanks for being here. Andrew says, Ada, can you overlay the bear pattern from the previous Wyckoff pattern over this one? I'm not sure. You gotta liquidate it from a trade you really even mean to be in. The way you were? Oh, that sucks. How come you got in the wrong way into a trade? Like, did you mess up with the software or something? It's like DVT holding. I'm just curious. Yeah, kind of. Not really. Still doing the same value thing. You want to look at crypto for a while after that? Yeah, I get that. Coming down, right? Not good. Not good here on the corn. Still trying to recover that 6,801. That's going to be nice if we do recover that zone. Again, main target, though, 61,195. Otherwise, dude, it could be one of those days where we're dropping 10-15% in crypto. Not going to be a good Tuesday, right? If that is the case. So just you remember you heard it here. It could be one of those days. We're already losing 4.45%. So we're very, very close to losing 5%. Now, if we do drop to those levels, yes, we're very likely going to be getting rid of the bullish divergence here on the 4 hour. We're going to be getting rid of anything on the daily that could try to hold us. That would be getting us maybe down here. So, yeah, be careful. Gotta be careful, right, guys? Nothing on the 1 hour. We need to get a recovery of sorts, and then they drop to create some bullish divergence so that we can try to rally. So let's go check out ADA. ADA, $1.92. It's dropping like the rest. Pumped a bit, nothing bearish. Dropping with the rest, dropping below that 786. It is kind of slightly higher than the previous high, so nothing going on here that is bullish or bearish. Sold at 39.95. Let's go to the 4 hour. Low, lower low. Less negative. Ooh, that is cold, May. That is a cold comment. A May bringing out the claws and saying, yo guys, this thing goes to $3 before ADA does. That's not cool. Sold, oversold at 29.52. Again, strong bullish against the MACD, like we're seeing with a lot of the other projects, right? The main crypto. So we're doing the same move. Potential for moving up on that. Again, tightness of the Bollinger Band's expansion to downside. Not what we wanted to see. Not what we wanted to see. Let's go here on the 1 hour. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Still nothing here. That is bullish neutral at, sold, oversold at 18.44. Not neutral, oversold. Here, nothing bearish. Again, breaking down with the. This is just the rest of crypto. From here on, it's just the rest of crypto, right? It's all similar. The whole sphere is moving on a similar fashion. Back to the corn. Trying to recover still. Yay. Let's get above 61,195. That is the target for this hour closing. Why am I keen on it closing above 61,195? Because that's going to be a support, guys. That's going to be a support for the 4 hour. And it's going to be also support on the daily, right? So we want to be above supports. Remember, the daily can still have time to recover. But the 4 hour, the quickest we get there on the next 17 minutes, the better. Because next time we're going to be at support. Can we drop and open that support and drop? Yeah, but that's a different story, right? It takes a little bit of strength for us to drop from support. Plus, we have that strong bullish divergence that should, instead of us dropping, helping us to rally. So again, even if we go to 59,267, we're probably going to be shaking off this divergence. I don't want that. So, all right. So here's a story from Andrew. So I caught my leverage way down, but didn't account for the extra cost and bought my usual trading amount. Then I fell asleep on my desk mid-trade and woke up to it way below my risk tolerance. Then it stayed there for about a month, costing a fortune just to hold. Okay. Two things. I know it's in the past, but risk management, cut your losses short. Sometimes it's better to cut. I'm not sure how much it would have cost you to just liquidate that position and maybe rebuy it, and then on the pump you probably would have gotten a return than, just holding a losing trade and paying on that. Because then even if it pumps, maybe you're not even making what you're paying on the costs, right, for just holding it for about a month at a loss. Not sure. So you gotta weigh that in, right? Maybe it would have been better for you to just close your position and then rebuy it at the lower levels than just holding it and hoping for recovery. Because worst case scenario, it drops more, you're still going to be losing more money and you're just holding a losing trade. So sometimes it's best to cut your losses short. It's hard. I'm not going to say it's easy, and it's easier said than done, but you have to set yourself a trading plan. And that trading plan, particularly if you're doing things like this, should basically be the dot is back. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I can see it in my thanks. That is something that I have actually here that is blocking the light. So it should not be in the shot. There we go. Oh, I'm not getting hit here with a heavy light. So what I'm thinking, or at least what I'm saying here, is control risk. If you control risk, you gotta be better off. I know it's in the past, like I said, and I'm not trying to pour salt on the wound or anything like that, but in your trading plan, you should have a strategy for how many days you want to hold something at a loss, and particularly if you're not seeing recovery, right? So maybe your tolerance is gonna be 5 days, 3 days. If it doesn't start to recover after 3 days, you're gonna liquidate that position. You can always buy a long at that point and hope to do better than just holding maybe a long position that is losing and you're just paying so you're not liquidated. So yeah, keep that into consideration, right? Yeah, Andrew, something you could do there, man. It's set up your plan in writing, right? Don't let your emotions take hold. I know it's easier to, like I said, to say than to do it. Don't let your emotions take hold. And when that happens, maybe set up a stop loss or a take profit level or whatever it is that you're dealing with in that occasion. Because if that is to happen and it gets to that level and you're probably gonna freeze, just have the program execute that exit for you. Anyways, if you made your analysis, that is the exit that you wanted to take, you put it down for a reason. If it just keeps on going and you probably would have lost a lot less, so be it. But you exit where you wanted to exit, and that way you're not gonna be holding on to that hope that it's starting to bounce, it's gonna keep on bouncing, and I'm gonna recover, and then I'm gonna be doing better. Because you're just basically selling yourself on a lie, right? So if you set up a strategy, you have an exit, you have a where you want to get back out, just make sure you execute it. And if you cannot execute it because you believe you might freeze up, and that happens to everyone, it happens to me still every now and then. But if you believe you're gonna freeze out, just set up a stop loss or take profit or something that would execute that trade for you. That way you're not gonna be exposed to that. Oh man, maybe I should have waited, or maybe I should have done this, right? Anyways, yeah, we're still dropping, not good. I was hoping for a recovery, man. We're still dropping. That means that we might be looking to close this candle below 6,592. If that is the case, what we might see, particularly if we keep on dropping here on the market, and just remember this if it becomes true, right? You'll know what happens, right? There's people here around these levels that open up long positions, right? That haven't closed them. So what's going to happen is if Bitcoin keeps on dropping here, if it keeps on dropping, let's say today, what's going to happen is we're going to get to where this long positions get liquidated. We're going to see a spike, flash crash, right? And then a pull back out. So that could be an area where you could try to, buy or scalp that move. So you can always, again, the move's going to come down. You can always buy it on the way back up, right? So just watch out. We might get to where longs start to get liquidated. And that's going to crash the market, and we're going to see a quick correction. Right? I mean, it might not be as steep as where I put it, 35,000, right? This is just an exaggeration, but I'm like indicating the move that we could be looking for, right? That moving down with a quick bounce back up, right? So watch out for that. Oh, well, that sucks, bro. Yeah, it sucks, Andrew. Which broker are you using? Let me know in the chat. Guys, if you're going to be buying dips, type 1. If you're not going to be buying dips, type 2. I'm interested. I want to know who's buying dips. Who of you guys is buying that dips? That dips. That dips, right? Ooh, well, that sucks, Andrew, man. Not sure who D is. But you said D and I. I'm not sure who D is. KuCoin. Oh, that sucks. But man says he ate some dip. Was it like French onion or cheese dip? Let me know. Crypto Rack says nibbles. All right. You're gonna be nibbling at the dip. Yeah, I'm thinking if we go for a flash crash, I might be buying some. All right, that is where I'm seeing myself right now. So yeah, I'm intrigued to see where we're gonna be at, right? Yeah, Jake's used to it. Kevin says, I'm all in. I just ride a roller coaster. Good. The roller coaster is good. I think it's French onion for potato chips. Ooh, nice. There's also natural dip, right? You can have a couple ones. You can also make a mayo one. All right. Yeah, I could see that happening. That kind of sucks though. 1 hour, still above 6,100. Man, come on, pull it back up. Buy it back up. Above 61,195. Show strength. Otherwise, not gonna be pretty, man. Like I said, I don't want to see one of those like, oh, we lost 10% days. Oh, it's not gonna be good. Remember, week of the 22nd. Starting the 21st, Sunday the 21st, I'm gonna be out of town for about 6 days. I'm not gonna be able to stream. I'm not gonna have good connectivity. I'll try to chat when I can, but just watch out, right? You bet they are crashed just like the corn. Yeah, if Bitcoin goes down 10%, they're all gonna go down quite a bit, right? Come on, it's going back up. 61,039. 61,042. There we go. Keep on going. Keep on buying it up. Last 15 minutes, right? Last 10 minutes. It's trying. They're trying, man. They're trying to push it back up. I mean, if it close, I don't think it's gonna close on the green, but if it closes on the green, man, am I gonna be like freaked out? Here we go. Like this would probably look so much more exciting on the 1 minute chart. Right, let's go there. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, I think you typed it just as I was saying it. Anyways, 1 minute chart. Here we go. Oh, look, double bottom. Ooh, nice. Bullish divergence. All right, the 1 minute's looking sexy here on the corn. So remember that. Yo, look at this, right? It's like, oh, look, I make a double bottom. I make it a double bottom. And I'm going to get the divergence here as well. Look at that, the stronger bullish divergence. It's trying, man. It's trying its mightiest to go up. So. And is it trying? Is it trying? Shoot, try. Crypto. Get, go on, Bitcoin. Go on, Bitcoin. Get higher. Oh, Andrew, that sucks, man. You should have told him. Go buy Dogecoin or something, y'all, man. Boomer, go buy Dogecoin. Yeah. Ah, the 1 minute, the most exciting chart. I hate the 1 minute chart. We're not in the green anymore. Come on, go higher, Bitcoin. You can do it. The last couple minutes, right? All right, so this candle looks like it's always going to close red. Yep. All right. Is that going to be it? Are we not going to run up to that mighty 61,195 before we end up here doing something else, retracing a bit? Jake says, buy rare peppies. All right, so here I'm looking at something, right? This is a very, very tiny island. So the other move we could be going on and why we could be stagnating a bit is because we're creating this hidden divergence. But I hope we don't care about it. We get above 61,195. We still have 7 minutes to go on the candle. Jake, I think I read that right. I'm glad you said Pepes and not PPs. It would have been really weird if you bought rare ones. You would have said Shiv and made him rich. All right. He probably would have been grateful to you and not complain about buying or your dog being off the leash, right? You probably would have been, oh man, maybe this guy knows what he's talking about. Oh, maybe, what coin should I buy now, son? Anyways, we're going higher. We're reclaiming it. Yay, there we go. 44 cents below target. Go on, you can do it. Give it a little push. Shove it above the target. There we go. Ooh, there we are. Covering. Husk. USD. Sure, man. We'll just do it as soon as we finish here at the corn, right? Have 4 minutes to go, man. Or 6 minutes. All right. We're going to go check out Husk, and then we'll come back to it. You should do only top 200s, man. So I'm not even sure if that Husk is going to be there. But since you're an old-time viewer, I'm just going to check it out real quick. Otherwise, you know, if it's not here... it's not here, man. I think I'm only able to find it. I'm not gonna be going to hunt for it. I might be able to do it off the stream for you though, right? Because it's not here on Trading View, and I have to go and hunt for it. So either you send me the chart on Discord and I can look at it, or you know, that's how we do it. The crypto market's hot because a lot of freaking scammers message you. That sucks, man. A lot of people are sending me messages. Don't answer comments from people you don't know. There's a lot of people trying to take advantage of people out there. So, public service announcement: don't listen to people that ping you on private messages. They're probably trying to get advantage of you or something like that. So be careful. What I found, it was a stock, not a crypto. Hoskins, HCI. All right, it's on the Johannesburg Exchange. Oh no, we're rejecting it. Get above it, you coin. Get above it, you coin. You are saying you my SHIB? What? I don't get it. Why you want my SHIB? My SHIB is my SHIB. I hold on to my SHIB. I'm gonna sell my SHIB actually. Some of my SHIB I'm gonna sell. It's just profits and profits, so it's all golden. Oh no, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. The pain of this candles. Go green. We can push it. We can push it, guys. Come on. Go for it. Ready. Almost there. Come on, Milk. Oh, that would be an awesome. That would have been a good idea, May. That would have been a really, really good idea. Like, we should have just mailed across the globe a baseball. We all signed it and we all sent it to Kevin for Christmas. That would have been a really, really good gift. I think that would have been awesome. So, you should have come out with it earlier, man. We're running out of time. Look at it, Bitcoin. Go, get over it, man. You can do it. Now we gotta pump quite a bit, man. Tristan's is back. Oh, no one knows my address. Oh, it's all good. I could ship it to you, I guess. I'm not sure. Jack says WTF. What happened, Jake? His address with the really tall helium antenna. Yeah, that's what you're gonna put on the postal service. Go to this place and find like an antenna that's like, however many feet tall. Just deliver it there. Go near this area and find it. You're gonna see it. Oh man, it looks as though we're not gonna make it, guys. I mean, I might be off, and I could be surprised, but it looks as though we're not gonna close above 61,195. Yeah, it's gonna have us open below a resistance now. So, is that good? Not really. It could get us to where we dropped to 59,000s, right? And if we lose that $59,000 mark, 55,000 is gonna be the next target on the moving down. So the corn, man, it's not looking the hottest. It's just a signed baseball, man. It's all good. They can deliver it anywhere, and then we can throw Kevin. Last minute. We ain't gonna make it. All right, 35 seconds to go, man. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. Bitcoin stagnating, 61,000. Oh no, we're dropping it. Oh, look at that. Below the 20. People are saying, the bears are saying, no way, bulls. You're not going to get your $61,195 mark. Rejection. Oh, 15 seconds to go almost. Will Seamus deliver it? Not sure. He's a wee bit lad. I'm not even sure he can carry a baseball. He can carry a mug, though. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. That is it. We're done. Close above the 20, but below 61,195. So let's go to this drawings here, drawings, and let's go back to 1 hour. As we stand here and look at Bitcoin and say, oh no, we did make it. Kind of sucks though. All right, so if we drop 6,801, which is a minor support here on the 1 hour. 9,267. Going up, we could be trying to go for 61,195, which looks like we could be going for right now. Maybe try to get above that area, but that's gonna be it, guys. That's gonna be it for tonight. What's the next target if we drop? Stick with it, dude. Thank you very much for being here, man. If we drop 6,000, 59,000, then below there, 55,406. Those are our targets to the downside. What? Bounce? Who's bounce? Maybe someone's stable. Have you seen? Oh, the bounce. Oh, the bounce we're getting. Yeah, I make it so sad. I make the truth so sad. It is the truth, man. It's not supposed to be pretty or sad or ugly. We're just talking targets. 58,888. Yeah, we could, man. I'm not saying we're not gonna, particularly right now with the way the market's feeling. I mean, that could get us to where we're dropping about, that 10% maybe. We'll see. So from opening to, you said 58,800. So we're looking at an 80% drop when we get there. not too far, man. We're just looking for another double what we're dropping right now. So, yeah. Guys, that's going to be it for tonight. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the show, make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell, you hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. They're pinned at the top of the chat here on YouTube. So, talk about crypto to your friends, your family, and your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is the most awesome channel out there. So, crypto, if you're feeling so good like I am, hey, thanks for joining me tonight. We'll be here again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Remember, all the information that we're providing here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Hi there's a lot of. Thank you very much for being here, man. I know you've been saying hi towards the end of the stream, but I'm glad to see that you're still coming in and enjoying the show, man. Thank you very much for catching it. Guys, it's going to be it for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.